Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn a number system. In this topic we learn how to convert decimal to binary number system, binary number system to decimal number system, binary addition, binary subtraction and binary multiplication. So let us start. Okay. First we learn how to convert decimal to binary. Okay, so for example I have a number, decimal number. So in this, how to convert decimal number to binary number. So we can divide the decimal number by 2 because 2 is the base of binary number, and we write down quotient here and remainder here. So for example, divided by 2. For example, so 21 to the 42 and remainder 0. Then once again 10 to the 20. So 10 is the quotient, write down here and remainder 1. After that 5 to the 10, remainder 0. Then 2 to the 4, remainder 1. And after that 2 1s are 2, remainder 0. So how to write down the binary number? How to write down the remainder? Bottom to top. Okay, this is the way to write down your binary number. So 1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is the answer. Okay, after convert the decimal number into binary number, this is the answer. So I hope you understand how to convert decimal number to binary number. So next one is how to convert binary number to decimal number. So for example, I have a binary number 1 1 0 and 1. Okay, so there is a step how to convert binary number to decimal number. So multiple each binary number with 2 having the power of 0. Okay, and starting from right to left. Okay, and increase the power one by one and keeping the base fixed as 2 because 2 is the base of binary number system. So right to left. For example, 2 the power 0. So increasing the power only 2 the power 1, 2 the power 2, 2 the power 3. Okay, you can multiply it. Okay, and plus. So always remember the power of 0 of any number, the result is 1. Okay, so 2 the power 0 1 and 1 into 1 1, 2 the power 1. So 2 the power 1 into 2 and 2 multiply by 0 0. 2 the power 2 to the power 2. It means 2 into 2 equals to 4, and 4 into 1, 4. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 to the 8. 8, and 8 into 1, 8. Clear? Now you can add the number. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12, and 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 is the answer. Clear, all of you? Okay. Now we are going to learn binary addition. So before starting the binary addition, there is some rule for the binary addition. So according to rule, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. And 1 plus 0 equals to 1. And 1 plus 1 equals to 0 and carry 1. Clear? So I have two binary number. So we will go for addition. So 0 plus 0. According to rule, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. And 0 plus 1 equals to 1. And 1 plus 1. According to rule, 1 plus 1 equals to 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 0. And carry 1. So now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 according to rule 0 and carry 1, and 0 plus 0, 0. Now 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 0, 1. And 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Okay, this is the answer. So I hope you understand how to go for binary addition. Okay, now we will go for a binary subtraction. So there is also some rule for binary subtraction. Clear? So according to rule, 0 minus 0 equals to 0, and 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 0 minus 1 equals to 0, borrow 1. Okay, and 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So I have two binary number. So now we go for binary subtraction. So 1 minus 0, according to rule, 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now 0 minus 1. So according to rule, 0 minus 1, 0. Borrow 1. So 0 minus 1. So first borrow 1. Okay. And 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So here 0 is left. Okay, because after the borrow here 0 left, so 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Okay, so this is the answer of binary subtraction. I hope you understand how to do it, binary subtraction. Okay, now we are going for a binary multiplication. So there is a rule for binary multiplication. 0 into 0 equals to 0. 0 into 1 equals to 0. 1 into 0 equals to 0. And 1 into 1 equals to 1. So I have two number, two binary number, 1 0 1 1. So multiply by 1 0. So now, so 0 into 1 0. 0 into 1 0. 0 into 0 0. 0 into 1 0. Close. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0 0. Sorry. First 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 0 0. And 1 into 1 1. Now you can add these number. So as you know that according to binary addition rule, 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 0 0. And 0 plus 1 1. So this is the answer of binary multiplication. Okay, so I hope you understand how to convert binary number to decimal number, how to convert decimal number to binary number, binary addition, binary subtraction, and binary multiplication. So thank you so much.